how to disconnect or unpair the Beats Studio 3 headphone from the iPhone 16 series. So first, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down, and then in here, tap on Bluetooth. Next, we want to tap on the name of your Beats Studio headphone. So that's David's Beats Studio. So tap on the information button. Then to disconnect, just tap on the disconnect button, and that will disconnect the device. If you want to unpair the device, just tap on the information button and then tap on forget this device, then tap on forget device. And this will allow you to unpair it with your iPhone, from your iPhone. Then tap on forget device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.